of you. The next one is we need to calculate the depreciation postings, right? Okay, asset report we have calculated, and depreciation postings using transaction code AFAB. Okay, so how we can able to do it? So can you go to the transaction code AFAB, ma'am? Give slash in, go to the transaction code AFAB. Okay, so company code is DUR1 and fiscal year is 2023 and posting period is take out the 04. Okay, so this is a plan posting run. Now we can able to see the plan posting run, all of you. See, it is not a plan posting run on the particular 01.07.2023. If you post the things, it is a plan posting run. So if you are not posting the things on particular dates, so that is unplanned posting run, right? So for that thing, take out the unplanned posting run. It is not a posting planned posting, all of you. It is unplanned postings. That is, the date is different. Why? Because we are in the date of 22.07.2023, right? So parameters for the test runs is a test run and the main asset number. Okay, take out the main asset number here. Take out the main asset number. Take out the main asset number. And you are doing the test runs, all of you. Just try to observe the point, and we are in an unplanned position. So go to the execute option, ma'am. Go to the execute option. Save the details. Yes. Test run was terminated. Okay, for error log. No documents were created in this run. Okay, come back. One step back. Take out the plan posting run. Take out the plan posting and go to the execute option. Yes. Test run was terminated and refer to the error log. Take out the error log. Go up. Where is the drag it to the right side? Error list. Yes. Create document number range 04 using external assignment. Oh, can you open this thing, ma'am? So this is the error that we have. Create document number range 04 using external assignment number range. Ma'am, can you elaborate it, ma'am? Go to the company code. What is the number range for the 04? I think so. We have created the 04 number range, right? And then external they are asking, assign it for the external. Why it is asking for the external? We haven't created any postings, right? Okay, go to the continue option. Save the things. Give slash n. Okay, for this system, external number range is mandatory, right? Okay, they are asking for the account determination, depreciation, postings, and all. Okay, no issue. I mean, if the document number range is, completed, okay, automatically we can able to use the external things. Right, give slash and ma'am. Once again, come back to the AFAB transaction code. So that is the error, all of you. It is asking for the external number ranges and all. AFAB. Go to the transaction code AFAB once again. AFAB. Okay, and give the posting period 04 and unplanned posting run, and main asset number is a plant and machinery. Go to the execute option. Yes. Now the depreciation test run completed successfully, and particular document 2117 document has been created. Okay, see, take out the new screen, ma'am. Go to the transaction code AW01N. Go to the transaction code AW01N. Go to the transaction code AW01N. Now go to the posted values. Go to the posted values. Now you can able to see the details of the particular planned things, all of you. Okay, so first you need to see the things for the planned posting run on the date of 01.07.2023. We are posting the depreciation on the unplanned date, that is 22.07.2023. For that thing, so the depreciation is 2117 rupees, and that should be matched with this depreciation run. Okay, go to that screen, automatically you can able to do it. Okay, so the most important thing is that you have to have the um, depreciation run amount is same, and also that should be equal to the main posted values in Asset Explorer. Okay, so these things are mandatory, all of you. Okay, come back to this AFAB transaction, ma'am. That screen. That screen. Come back to the here. Remove the test run. Give the unplanned posting run. Remove the test run. And now, can you go to the program? No. Remove this thing. No. Don't take out. See, for the test runs only, we have taken the main assets numbers. Okay. So for the background job, we no need to take anything. Go to the program, go up. There is a program. In that thing, you can just execute in background. Execute in background. Execute in background. Give the output device LP01 and go to the continue option. Continue. Format set to one thing and first check it. No. Go to the immediate option. Go to the immediate option. Yes. So when you click on this immediate option, all of you, it is showing the periodic job. Okay. So first a format set you have to set up. So for that periodic job, we are checking the details. Just give the check option, ma'am. Give the check option. Go to the save button. Click on the check option. Go to the save button. We need to check this and go to the save button. So that is very important right now we have. Okay, so this job run has been executed successfully. Okay, so how you can able to see the job runs? So go to the system, ma'am. Go to the system and go to the services, and then next go to the jobs. Go to the jobs and go to the job overview. Go to the execute option. Execute option. See, the job is finished. RAPOST 20000 SAP user has been finished. Okay, so that is very important, all of you. And the duration is 4 seconds. There is no any delay. Okay, come back, ma'am. One step back. And the job is finished, all of you. Please try to understand the point. Come back, one step back. Okay, so now we should see the details. Okay, whether this depreciation has been posted or not. automatically the depreciation account should be posted. Give /n, go to the transaction code AW01N, ma'am. Go to the transaction code AW01N, Asset Explorer, and that should be in a, I think so, green color mark. Okay, go to the posted values. Now see all of you, this fourth 2117 depreciation has been posted. Okay. So this is the way you can able to oppose the depreciation for that particular thing. Okay. And now you can just see the, and I mean the document will be posted. Double click on this posted document, ma'am. Double click on this posted document. Double click on this posted document, ma'am. See, a document was created. What is the document that is created? 6002. Okay, so can you give /n, go to the transaction code FB03 and take out the document number 6002. Give /n and go to the FB03 and take out the document number that is 6002. 6002. Give the fiscal year, click on the enter. So this document has been posted. Depreciation account data to the accumulated depreciation account creditor. Okay, all of you. So please try to understand the point for each and everything. And now see, when you are making the depreciation runs and all, okay, you can able to see the details of each and everything, right? But the thing is that you should calculate the depreciation things. Okay, so those things are mandatory first of all. After the calculations of the each and everything, can you give /n, ma'am? Can you give /n? Can you give /n? And this value has been decreased to the particular value. Okay, this month that value has been decreased. Go to the transaction code FBL1N and you can able to see the details. Go to the open items, ma'am. See, on the date of 01.07.5 lakh has been posted. Okay, so from the purchasing of the vendor, the value will be decreased for each and every item. Value will be decreased. Okay, and after that, if we want to sell that item for the particular thing, okay, so we need to pay the amount to the particular vendor, 5 lakh rupee. But when it comes to after 3 years, when we are selling this asset to the particular customer, okay, so based on the reductions values only we can able to sell it. Okay, we cannot sell that material for 5 lakh rupee only, right, to the particular customer. That is highly impossible. This is the way you can able to calculate the depreciation. Okay, all of you. And